Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Advanced. To begin, ensure you are logged into your Google account and have access to the platform. Navigate to the main interface, where you will find a clear chat box at the bottom of your screen. This is your primary interaction point. Start by entering a simple query or command to familiarize yourself with its response style and speed. This initial step helps you understand its core capabilities. Gemini Advanced offers powerful features, including enhanced reasoning for tackling complex problems. It can process and summarize extensive documents, saving you significant time. You can also leverage its creative capabilities to generate diverse content, from detailed reports to imaginative stories. Experiment with different types of prompts to discover the full range of its potential and how it can assist your daily workflows. To get the most out of Gemini Advanced, focus on refining your prompts. Clear and specific instructions yield more precise and relevant answers. Don't hesitate to use follow-up questions to deepen conversations or clarify previous responses. Consider integrating it into your daily tasks, such as brainstorming ideas, drafting emails, or even learning new concepts. Consistent practice will significantly improve your interaction quality. For advanced usage, explore multimodal inputs, combining text with images or other data for richer interactions. Gemini Advanced can also provide robust coding assistance across many programming languages, helping you debug or generate code snippets. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and self-emptying features. Continue experimenting with its diverse functionalities to unlock its full power for your specific needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.